Hi, this is a small video on how to get your button logger to work with your computer. There are three components that are needed. You would need your button logger itself, a docking station, and our SpecWare software application, either SpecWare 9 or SpecWare 10. As long as you have those three components, you are good to go.
Go to the Spectrum Technologies website. Open your web browser and go to www.specmeters.com. Hover your mouse over the Resource Center and click on the software from the drop-down menu. Once the page loads, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the following two items: Watchdog B Series USB docking station driver, Java library for Windows. Both drivers are required for the button logger to work. Click on the Watchdog B Series USB docking station driver. You will be redirected to the download page. Select your operating system and choose either 32-bit or 64-bit. Most computers these days use 64-bit. Download the driver. We're going to go back to our software page, scroll back down and click on the Java library for Windows. Download the installer. Once both files have been downloaded, open them and follow the on-screen prompts to install. After installation is complete, the button logger should be able to communicate properly with your SpecWare software.
Connect your docking station to either the USB port or serial port. Connect your button logger onto the docking station. Just a quick note, do not remove the sensor from the card, or you will have issues with mounting and disconnecting it from the docking station. Okay, once connected, you can open up SpecWare 9, go to the Watchdog Manager, select Watchdog button, and then Properties, Launch. You should get this the Properties screen where you can give your button logger name, set the interval, and just make sure that you have your temperature enabled, and click on OK to be able to launch your logger. To be able to download the button logger, click on Readout and Relaunch. You get this message that the logger was successfully you were able to save your data and you were able to relaunch it. And here's SpecWare 10. And you click on Equipment, your button logger, and Launch. You get this message after you apply the changes, the logger will relaunch and begin recording. Any data will be, if you did not save any data, it will be lost. Click on the OK. Again, you'll get the property screen where you can give your button logger a name, set the interval, click on the check mark when you're ready to launch. Click on the OK. You can then go ahead and place your logger out in the field. Once you're ready to download your logger, come back to your computer, relaunch SpecWare 10, click on the Watchdog button logger, and then download. And there you have it.